Hey there YouTube friends! Welcome to Aroma. Today, I want to share my thoughts on the Aroma Housewares ARC-363 rice cooker. We are dedicated to making your life in the kitchen easier and more efficient. Here, you will find tips, tricks and reviews on the latest and greatest kitchen appliances, as well as helpful how-to videos and recipes to help you to get the most out of your kitchen gadgets. One of the things I love most about this rice cooker is how easy it is to use. There's no need to fuss around with complicated settings or buttons. The keep warm function is also a huge plus, keeping your rice at the perfect temperature until you are ready to eat, so you don't have to worry about it getting cold or mushy. Additionally, it's compact enough to fit on almost any kitchen countertop without taking up too much space.
Another great thing about this rice cooker is the price point. It's an affordable option compared to other rice cookers on the market, making it perfect for those on a budget or for those just starting out with cooking rice.
On the downside, the non-stick coating on the inner part may scratch over time, so you'll want to be careful when cleaning it. The measuring cup and the spoon are not included, so you will have to purchase them separately. And unfortunately, there's no timer on this model, so you can't set it to cook rice at a specific time. But these are minor drawbacks and can be easily overcome. Overall, I highly recommend the Aroma Housewares rice cooker. It is easy to use, compact and affordable. It's a great option for anyone looking for a reliable and efficient rice cooker, steamer and multi-cooker. Just keep in mind the minor cons I mentioned before and you will be good to go. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments. And be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more kitchen appliance tips and tricks.